fish in
they grill the fish like barbecue, and they use charcoal, of course, to cook or to grill this fish. This fish is called, what is the name of this fish?
the name is the fish is Peret Budburon.
Okay, the name of the fish is piret or budburon. So let's eat, guys.
The fish is rolling in the fire because the cook the fish rolling in the fire.
Rolling in the deep in the rolling in the deep in
Idol, my family is very happy because all of family every day, every night, every hour, and every minute, every seconds. Happy New Year.